Hello, welcome back, guys. I was in the mood to sing Bang by AJR in Smule, so I thought I would do a fun little clown look to go along with that song. So if you want to know how to get this look, keep watching. So we're going to start off with a primer, and I've done a clown look for Smule in the past. Here's a little picture. So these, looks are pretty versatile. So go in with some white cream paint, just slap it all over your face and let it dry, and then go in with a second coat. And this cream paint is the kind that you can buy around Halloween, pretty common. It's not quite opaque though, so I went in with a third coat of a white cream paint again, but from my Flash palette. And then I'm just going to take a dry beauty blender and lightly stamp it all around just to make sure that there are no visible brush strokes, and went down my neck too. Then I threw on some eye primer and pat it in, and then I just went over that with a neutral eyeshadow. So my color palette is going to be green and orange. So I'm going in my crease, my outer crease, with just like a light green color, and then buff it out, blend it out, and tap it on at first, blend it out, and then build up your color so that you get, that rich, deep color payoff. And then I went over top of that with a slightly darker green, focused that on the crease area. Then I wanted to do a cut crease for the orange. I have hooded eyes, so in order for you to see my cut crease, I cut it higher than where my natural crease is. I used an orange cream paint for this from the Flash palette. You probably, if you're going to wear this for a long extended period of time, you probably want to cut in with a concealer and then just tap over with an orange shadow, but I really wanted the color payoff, so I used the orange cream paint to cut my crease and then tapped an orange shadow over that. Then I wanted to pull some of that green color down below my eyes. In hindsight, I probably would have done more color down here just to get a little more color payoff, but I just used the light green. You can do whatever you want, really. My wig that I'm going to wear is blue, so then I filled in my eyebrows with some blue powder, and then I contoured my nose with the green as well. Started with the light green and then focused the darker green on the inside and blended them together. And then I also contoured with the same green. I did my jawline and my cheek contour, and then up on my forehead as well, hairline. And then there's a peachy color in my Flash palette, so I just tapped that on for my blush color. I thought this was a really nice color contrast to the green. Okay, so now for the fun part. You can really make this look pretty versatile depending on how you do your black liner. So I decided on one eye I was going to do a sort of triangle black eyeliner going down my cheek, and then my other eye is going to have it going up to my forehead. So I started by lining my lower lash line, and then just looking straight on, pick a point on your cheek that you're going to draw a line from there straight up to your eyes. And then halfway along that line, curve it up to your eye on both sides to make like a curvy point, whatever that means. And then fill it in. And then the other side, I lined my upper lash line. And then same thing, I looked straight on and picked a point on my forehead above my eyebrow. Boop, put a little dot. I didn't want to go through my brow, so I drew a little triangle, filled it in, and then pulled that line a little bit higher from the top point right here, just to make it a little bit leaner. And then I sort of extended those lines down onto my eyelid, filled it in, and then joined those lines right down to my eyelid, my line. You know what I mean. Okay, and then I did some black eyeliner along the top, threw on some false lashes and a little bit of mascara to smoosh them together. And we're almost done. I lined my lips with a lip liner, and I made my upper lip a little more pointy than normal. And then I chose a nice red color. Ooh. And filled in my lips. And then again really accentuated the upper points of my lips. And here's the final look. Super fun, super cute, really easy to change up depending on your colors. And I have a tutorial soon coming for this clown fringe. So here's the song I opened in Smule. Come sing with me. It'll be open for a couple of days. Thanks for checking out my tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.